world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life.
Yeah, T2S, I'm finally on my way. I had the best feeling when I first got paid. When I think about the trouble and the people relate, I don't trust none of them because they end up all fake. I'm trying to get a job and keep my life on track, instead of having nothing, be the type of person that's addicted to crack. Having no excuse to living like that. Seen too many people falling and they be living in the trap. No one giving a crap, but I say I got my own plan. Was only 15 and I'm feeling like a grown man. I show them that I have the key to success. I'm not trying to be the best, I'm trying to fix this mess. I push it off my chest. We were here for a reason, transition to success. Got me thankful that I'm breathing. Say I'm dreaming, but really I might be. All these people hating, but I finally found the right me. Reppin' the white tee, burning pair of Nikes. All these people judging, they just wanna be like me. I just need some fresh air, wondering how I get there. Wondering if my mama think about me and she still care. I don't even know where, to the place that I can call home. I'm just trying to find a space for what it takes to be alone.
But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done.
Take a walk on the beach. Had to run away, get away from the streets. Running so fast, no one's got a sight on me. Done attention, correction. Yeah, I think I learned my lesson. Yeah, now I start stepping in the right direction. Heading for success, feeling blessed. So what's coming next? No one thought I could finish T2S. Running from the cops, they charged me with theft. I got out, and I had nothing left. Had to start again, had to make a plan. Yeah, T2S, I'll show you who's the man. Showing the boys, show you where I stand. It's time to use my voice and prove that I can get through this life by sticking to the plan. Understand?
Now if you know what you're worth, now go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you wanna be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that and that ain't you. You're better than that.
Yeah, T2S.